Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge the new Samsung Galaxy A14. So let's do it. So here is my phone and here is my box, and if we look inside the box you will see that there is no charger, and in this one I will find, I guess, data cable. Yes, here is the data cable. This is USB type C on both sides. And to charge your phone you need a power adapter, and I will recommend this one from Samsung. This is the original and it's 15 watts. And to charge, just put a side of the cable here, and the other side I will put it in the phone. Okay, and just plug the power adapter, and that's all. Now my phone is charging, and also I want to measure the power of this charger, and for this I have here a little device just connected, and now I will plug to my phone, and now has started to charge. Okay, and as you can see, it's charging with 14 watts. Okay, I hope you see it. And now I will disconnect my phone, and I want to enable the fast charging from the menu settings. And now to enable the fast charging, go to settings, tap on battery and device care, tap on battery, go down, and we have here more battery settings, and enable from here fast charging. Now let's exit, and I will connect the cable again, and let's look here. There is no such a difference, just a little one. I don't know what's the point with this fast charging. Okay, so this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.